So
Yeah.
what does the okay? So the Elon Musk, we talked about the stock price, the stock package, but how does this affect Tesla's stock price?
I'm scared, to be honest, because with that kind of a payout, are you then more? Okay, I get he's trying to do the robo-taxis, but then now your direct competitor is Uber. It's weird to say, but is Elon more focused than Dara right now? I can't say he is. Okay, great. Now you want to make robots. Okay, cool. General Dynamics may have you beat in that department. Now, is the branding bigger for Tesla? Yes, but what if Nvidia sees that you're trying to do them for 20, and if they make them available for enterprise for 35, now you have a big competitor that you can't beat, and you don't have the chips. So I if it gets back down to 151, I like it. Still a pick in stock club for sure, but based off price, I just don't see them going back up to 300. I know Kathy said there'll be a 2000 by whatever year. Kathy, I love you dearly. Y'all team need to call me. Y'all missed out on $2 trillion by not listening since last year. Classic conversation at InvestFest, right? But I think the stock will be flat until he unveils a plan for it to. Okay, here's the crazy part. InvestFest has a better roadmap and plan given to the public than what they're going to do as a publicly traded company for these cars. What's the plan? Nvidia told us through 2028 what's coming out. What's next for Tesla? A maybe Uber competitor and maybe iRobot 3? Not going to get it done.
Yeah.
Not going to get it done. What he should do is take all the companies and merge them under one umbrella. But I know he doesn't want to do that for risk reasons. But that's the only advantage I think he would have at this time to make Tesla go up.
Yeah. So, I mean, they were up today. You look at the chart. I mean, if somebody was asking you, hey, if I'm looking at the 1 month chart of Tesla, should I invest? You can't in your right mind tell them, yes, this is.
Yes.
Looking at this, if you peel back to the 6 month, again, you would tell this person, this is not a company. If I just took the name off and you just looked at this chart on the year, the 1 year, even the 2 year.
It's tough, bro.
This is prestige now, right? Like this is Tesla. They'll figure it out because we, like the shareholders, we believe in the CEO of this company. But I'm in a position. It's been flat. I mean, it's kind of been moving the same way Tesla's been moving. But there's just
even the volume on the options have dropped. That's an indicator of interest. Even when Apple is flat, the volume on the options was still high. People aren't even using this to trade as much as they used to a year and a half ago.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of. I remember there was a time when like how people are trading Nvidia now. You saw people in like this nonstop run of Tesla, and then it started moving all the ARK ETFs as well. Yeah. Do you believe in a CEO?
I do. One of the greatest entrepreneurs of all time, especially when he's focused and his healthiest state. But the same issues are there. I think he needs better executive management. I think the executive management that he have there is good, but he needs great to be able to go to the next level. This reminds me a lot of when Apple took the company away from Steve, but Steve was still a little bit more focused and Scully was brought in. The board reminds me of that mindset where they're just doing enough to get by, but they're not doing enough to be truly great. I think if he gets a great board that can challenge him, I think that they'll be a-okay. But a lot of times the company is just really the team that you create. And do they have one of the best management teams in all of publicly traded companies? Are they top 5? No. Top 10? I don't think so. Top 20? Is their board better than Lily's? That's tough. Things change fast. Yeah.
I'm not leaving.
Nope. No, I'm still a believer in it.
Not leaving.
But it's on price. But that $3,000 price point, not gonna happen.
That's
no.
Yeah. We gotta get to 200. Let's get to 200.
And also, it's interesting that as much as this company's falling, no one has made a bid like someone does on other properties that he never gets, so we're not going to talk about, even for the marketing and promotional aspect of it. There hasn't been one person said we're interested in acquiring Tesla. That's fascinating to me.
Yeah,
not one. You're the number one brand in the sector, and no one wants to even touch you.
I think we're going to be surprised by the quarter that they have. I think last day underdelivered on the vehicles. We still saw the stock go up after earnings. I think that the delays in factories in China, the ones that shut downs here in the American factories, I believe in Texas, I think that had a role to play in the production. I think they're going to have a good quarter from everything I've seen.
Elon, I'll see you in Austin on 6th Street. Don't reverse back kick me with Joe Rogan. Just let me know what the plan is for the next 2 or 3 years.
Throw it on the back of the Cybertruck for us.
Please do right in ChatGPT. Oh, well, he probably won't use that because he got the XAI.